it's going to be the same. I'm like, I'm happy to show you what it looks like on this car, but Mercedes Financial already has in their system that you ran a finance application.
It'll be a match call.
He's like, I told my brother-in-law yesterday, you're the most honest person so far, and I'm not saying that, I swear, you were straight up and didn't give me any lies. He was giving me false hope that he'd be able to get this done for a really low payment. I sat him down, I'm like, what's your situation? What's your money down? Like, what are you trying to accomplish? You're paying $563. You drove 40,000 miles over your lease, so whatever told you that, oh, that goes away, you're paying for it or I'm paying for it in the deal. You broke your lease contract.
Yeah.
You're paying for this some way or another.
Yes.
This is not me that's, like, what did he say? He's like, he said that Mercedes-Benz waives over miles for clients when they go into another lease, along with payments and turn-in fees. And I'm like, that is not true. I'm like, that's never been true for any manufacturer. You were paying for it. It is hidden from you in the back screen, which you don't see in the finance computer. You are paying that one way or another. You're either going to, you have two choices. You can pay this separately on a bill for Mercedes, or you can, I said to him, drive responsible and not let this happen.
Well, contract for the miles you really need.
Correct.
But yeah, this is the battle that we are waging every day,
every single
with
day.
Other dealers.
Yes.
Who tell people that, oh, we'll make it all go away.
No,
oh, it all goes away.
It goes away, but you're paying for it.
Get a new car and it all goes away. No, it doesn't.
No,
it doesn't.
For it.
This right here is, I'm convinced, why people don't trust car dealerships.
And they hate business.
And you know what the crazy thing is that we already put a video out where kind of explain this a little bit, and there are some people that straight up were like, I want to be told it's all going to go away.
100%. But
it's like, but then you don't understand what's really happening.
Why would you want to be lied to?
Right.
You're literally being lied to by someone you're doing business with.
Exactly. Like, I get it. Maybe it makes you feel better hearing it that way, but it's not true, and it sets up unrealistic expectations down the road. Like, the last thing I ever want is somebody to feel like they can just contract for whatever miles they want and then drive however many miles they want and there's no penalty.
Doesn't work
That's insane to have that mindset.
Oh, yeah.
To me. You can't have that mindset.
No.
So I'm glad that he is rewarding our honesty with an opportunity to get this deal done.
He's got $3,000 to put down. He's fine with 42 months or 42 months or 48 months. By the end, it's 15,000 miles a year.
Okay.
So he misses loyalty. Hang on, I want to grab something else. Helping clients, and this is what the top salesman wears on his off days. He represents car film. Shout out Sean Weaver.
How comfortable is that, by the way?
It's wonderful.
Okay.
Feel it.
Feel it. No, he gave me one.
Feel the shirt.
Yeah, I know. He gave me one, and it felt really comfortable. He said it's made of bamboo, which I don't know how you make it.
It's made of bamboo. It says in the label.
I don't even know how you do that.
This is what the top salesman wears on his off days of work.
What if you weren't the top salesman? Would you still dress like that?
I wouldn't. I'd be in a suit.
Okay, just so we're clear.
Pocket square. I think it's better keeping my current car. As I told you yesterday, full transparency, you will need to be married to that car for the rest of its life on our lovely planet.
Why would you want to keep that car?
There's no need for you
How
to
many
keep
miles
that
are on
vehicle. It has almost 100,000 miles on it. It has a bad Carfax.
What if it breaks down?
Ridiculous.
Dude, what if it breaks down? Who's going to pay for that? You're still 5 payments out on your lease, and you're almost at 100,000 miles. Get out of that situation before it gets even worse. So it's tier 3,
okay,
but they're capping him.
So they want $5,000.
No, they want more than that. They want $9,000. No, they want $8,500 technically.
I thought they wanted 5. He said they only needed 5. Probably discounted the car more, didn't they?
Might have been just a different structure. They want $8,500 on this deal.